Well, go on, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to change the belt on this international box truck. It's a MV International, so we're going to go ahead and change the belt. You can remove this if you want, or you can just climb up over it and then you have access to the belt right here. So you want to make sure you have your belt diagram, study the belt diagram. You can draw it down on a piece of paper, or if your memory is that good, you can just go ahead and just study it. Something to reach up and over this. If not, you might have to get you might have to take this off. Number 410-6109 C1. Once you're up and over, you wanna remember to mark your belt. So you wanna push forward. Once you push forward, you can take this off over here. And then you can just let this come down here just like that. Take it around the AC compressor, which is right here, because at first we took it from the alternator, which is right here. You can check your bearings, make sure everything is all nice and running smooth. The water pump is good, your fan is good. Okay, and then we can roll this over here like this. And just keep on rolling it over each blade, and it should come out like magic. That's how you do it. You don't have to take the fan off. You can see the belt, the cracks. This is the new belt. Make sure it's the same length it turned out to be. We gotta fish it around the fan. Alright, so now we got it around the fan. We need to get it around the pulley all the way at the bottom. Work it under just like that. Keep a little tension on it at this point. Make sure it's sitting in the groove. Make sure you remember how you take your belt off. Here. Alright guys, so we almost in business. There we go. It came off somewhere. Okay, it came off from right here. Alright, so that's sitting good. What we want to do is make sure to double check. Walk around, make sure it's sitting properly. So this sitting in the groove right there, this sitting in the groove right here, that's good. Check it on the compressor. It's also sitting in the groove, sitting good on the pulley right there. We want to go ahead and check out the harmonic balancer right here. So it looks like it sit on good on this side, sit good on this side. take this out. See if you can check it from the bottom. So if it seems good, then we're gonna go ahead and start it. You can see it's looking good right here too.